Hi everyone, this is Professor Marcia Esparza, Criminal Justice Department, and I want to welcome you all to CRJ 738999, Perspectives on Rise and Crime in America. And this semester we will have, we're very honored to have a TA, Teacher's Assistant, and this is Sebastian Galleguillos, and both of us are here to help you out with your semester. Sebastian?
Hi, I am Sebastian. I'm a lawyer from Chile and I am current ICJ master student at John Jay.
And so, just very briefly, so that you know, we're opening up the semester. Blackboard will be open, but please bear in mind that we haven't yet uploaded the models, the posts that every week you will have a post to a week that you have to post on your readings for that week. You will have a journal to submit, and you will have a final exam. But some of this is not ready yet. But most important thing right now is to welcome you all and to let you know that we have, and particularly Sebastian has compiled and scanned books for you, so you don't have to buy anything. Everything is here for you on coursework, on course materials. Just look around here on this side and you will see the models are not there yet, as I told you, I just said, but the course material should be there. If not, just bear with us a few more days. But again, the most important thing is that there are no books that you have to buy. I don't accept incompletes, and I don't accept late assignments. So looking forward to having you this semester. And the picture that you see here is that of me, and with a picture that we have here at the Historical Memory Project that I have here at John Jay. And you're welcome to ask questions about it. And yes, we will have every week we will have a space for you where you can raise questions about the readings, or you have questions about the course, or you can email me and we'll set up a phone discussion, individual phone discussion. All right, have a great semester now. Bye-bye.
Bye.